There you go. That's done. Now we have this part here, followed by this that has a different type of connection. You have to slide it in like so, and then there's a cover here. Goes like that. And then, according to this, if I'm reading it right, you have to keep it like that. This has to be like this. Wrong way. This. And we take this, we put that there like so. It snaps in. Nice. Oops, no, that's wrong. Hold on. Did I look at it wrong? So that goes there. And that goes here. Oh, okay. So that's like that. Then we have this part that goes like this here. And this part that goes like this here. Nice snap fit right there. And then we have the hands. Connect that to here. There you go. The arms are complete. And you get two of the same hands for this, one for the right, one for the left, but you only get one for this, which has the trigger finger, for you could put it on the beam rifle. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Very good. Alright, let's then move on to the next part of the build. Next part of the build is going to be the legs of the Jegan. A lot of parts here, of course. I'm going to begin with the feet. This part here, followed by this, goes there. And then this guy goes right there. And a nice little cover goes right here. Completes the foot. Next part is, oh no, this part here, and you have this part that goes in the opposite direction like that. And we take this, we take number 9, put that up here, and we take this. Gotta make sure I'm looking at the correct orientation here. Okay, so that goes like that, and this goes like this here. You close that up here, like so. Then we put this like that here. That goes there. And then that goes here. And that goes there. So that completes that part. Then we need we don't need that actually. Let's go to the side. We need number 2. Then number 8 goes under here. Turn it that way. And then close it up like so. You have this ball joint that goes there, or connector I mean, followed by the thruster, thrust, and then we have the cover that goes here, followed by this part goes there. And then finally, the foot. Get in there. There we go. There we go. The legs of the Jegan are now complete. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's move on to the next part. So the last part of the build will be, of course, the waist unit of the Jegan. Here are the parts that you see here, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Just we need one more part here to complete this. First we take this, we put that here, so it looks like that. Then we take this part, connects to there like so. At the same time we take these two poly caps and put one here and one here. And finally we take this, align it right, or not. Let's try that again. There we go. So that's in there. And we have the front part for this that goes in there, followed by this part here. Goes there. And then for the side skirts, we'll take this part here, followed by the missile pack, or the grenade rocket launcher type thing. And the gimmick for this one is you put this one into here. If you can get it in there. There we go. And then that should close into place like so. It's a tight fit though. And that goes, I believe, on the left side. While on the right side you have a standard skirt armor holding the beam saber hilt. That goes in the opposite direction. There we go. There you have it. Alright, that completes the waist unit. Let's now move on to final assembly. Alright, here are all the parts assembled. Let's put it together and see how this kit looks. We'll begin with the legs. One goes there. That one goes here. Okay, bring the skirt down. And we take this arm going there. This arm going here. And then this goes here. And we're done. Nice. And then, so this is put in wrong, so we're going to take that, put that here. So it connects to this, like that. Whoops, sorry. So it looks like that. And then we might as well take this hand off and put the beam rifle here. First we're going to remove this. Eee, and it falls to the floor. Damn, I put this thing tight. Alright. That goes in there. That goes in there. And there you go. And there you have it. The high grade 1/44 scale Mobile Suit Jegan from the Char's Counterattack animated movie is now complete. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. It's actually very simple and well detailed for this scale of a kit. But interestingly enough, you don't see that much detail. I mean, in the leg area, you see the curvature of the parts here, especially with the calf armor. And then you have the side part here, but you don't see that much detail around it. They try to keep it nice and clean and smooth. Same thing here on the thigh armor. We only have this little part here. No front skirt armor. Clearly, they did it just so they can have some more maneuverability, and maybe they decided to put more armor, strength in the armor here than having a skirt there. Clearly the skirt is designed to hold the beam saber and the rocket projectile missiles there, as well as having the shield. And the beam rifle is really nice. I do like this rifle. I believe I have an extra one. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll have to check. I like the little vent thing, thrusters in the back that goes up and down like this. And of course this massive thruster here. Me commenting on this is I'm kind of like anticipating how the build is going to be when the master grade kit hits the market in the next month or so. I've seen the work that they've done on the master grade, you know, through the images on Tag Hobbies and other websites. And as much as I really enjoyed, the one thing I'm not digging is this chest area. This is like so generic and plain. Granted, this is what it came out in the anime, but it would have been nice if they would have done more work on that or did some better detail. But, you know, it is what it is. You can't complain about that. Now, hang on a second, plus I'm actually looking for my Stark Jegan. Oh, there it is. That I want to put a side-by-side comparison with this guy, because this is the one kit I built about a year ago. So yeah, here we go. Which is actually even nicer. Let's put it together. So here's the Stark Jegan version, and this was the P Bandai kit, which is basically the same model. The only difference is, though, okay, different color scheme. It's a little more greener. You have a different shoulder armor, different chest plate armor. You do have the same legs and the same legs and all that stuff, but the feet are different. You have the side thrusters that are different, and then of course you have the bunny ears instead of the side, the side Vulcans, and then you have also this other stuff as well. And here's the beam rifle, but this is more of a condensed version. It's not this. It's if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the rifle on the Nemo, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is really nice. I have another Jegan, which is the ECOS one, which I haven't built yet, and I want to build that, do a nice little custom build for that. But yeah, so this is a really nice kit to get. Very nice kit. If you guys get your hands on this, I mean, it's retailing at around 1,500 yen, so that's around 14 or so bucks. I got it for a deal because of you know, Hobbylink Japan. This is actually a really good test bed for custom building, and maybe even a first time kit build. I do see some issues. Well, let me see. Sanding around the edges is easy from here and here, inside the leg. For a very old kit, even though it's in high grade, they did a pretty good job on hiding areas where you can actually clean up. The one thing I'm more afraid is the actual joints in the arm, because that one you're going to have to really sand down and smooth it out, so that way it can turn, you know, it could turn in and out. You don't see the scar marks. I don't see that much issues on the head area other than the side, which is no big deal. Vents are fine. The backpack is alright. And back here, you don't have to worry about the seam lines because it is part of the kit. But you definitely need to do a little sanding here and here. The thrusters are very big, so it's easy for you to sand down. Legs, I don't see. Feet are going to be easy to sand off. So this is pretty much an easy kit to work with, an easy kit to touch up and build, and maybe even do a custom of your own if you guys decide to do this. So I highly recommend getting the Jegan if you guys get, if you feel like it. And if many, I think somebody asked me, do you think we should get a revived version of the Jegan? Absolutely not. Considering the fact that Bandai made multiple versions of the Jegan ever since the Jegan was reintroduced into the Gundam universe when Unicorn came out, and there's like what, 5 or 6 Bandai versions of this mobile suit using the same frame. It's a good kit. It's amazing. I highly agree. I'm surprised that I didn't purchase this earlier, but now that I got this, I can't wait for the high grade. The master grade to hit the hit the market, and we're all getting our hands on it. It's a very, very highly anticipated kit that I want to get. Also, the Jag Doga is something I want to get too, so I can put it side by side with it. And it's a big kit. It's not a flimsy high. Well, let's see if let me put up one of my other kits here next to it. Here's the Jim Jim, and as you can see, it's bigger than the Jim Jim. So there you go. So if you ever see this at a hobby store or online at a good deal, at a good price, less than 15 bucks, don't pass up on this. I highly recommend you guys looking into investing, getting this kit, and going to town with it, painting it, whether it's green or the camo green, or the darker green, or the tan. I like the tan version, it's really nice. So there you have it. I completed the build of the high-grade Jegan. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and what can I say but stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.